Hey everyone, if you wanted to start in affiliate marketing, then click on the link below now to claim your access to an online sales machine for free. That's right, for free. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. Once you claimed your access, you'll be brought to the first one-time offer for Sales Booster Pro. This is $7, and it is basically a 7 video series in which you learn from the creators Mark and AJ, in which you learn the mindset and personal methods they use to increase your sales. And for only just $7, this is a great way to get into the to learn to see how professional salespeople uh, uh, increase their sales. So if you want it, you can click on yes, I want Sales Booster Pro. If you don't, you can click on no thanks. The next offer is a DFY email profits. This is an offer I recommend you purchase because it is basically a set of follow-up emails you send your leads in case they do not purchase it, because as most experienced affiliate marketers know, most sales do not come from someone initially visiting your site, but a majority of your purchases are made on the within those with a follow-up, and for just $17, you'll be given 30 emails that you can send your leads as a follow-up, and these follow-up emails are written to sell specifically this product. So this increases your chance of closing these deals so that you can make a sale for just $17. So again, this is an offer I actually do recommend you purchase for only $17. You get 30 follow-up emails that are designed to close the sale on your leads who showed interest on this product but didn't necessarily buy it yet. These follow-up series just follows up. That's why it follows up with them. If you, it's only $17. But again, if you're an experienced affiliate marketer and you want to write your own emails, you can do so, and you can just click on no thanks. The next one-time offer is Funnels Profits Pro. This is the other offer I recommend you pick up right away. As experienced affiliate marketers may know, most commissions are just 50%. With this Funnels Pro, you will be earning 100% commissions on all product upsells. So basically, instead of the $8.50 from the emails commission, you will be getting the full $17, as well as if in this as well as this membership. This membership is either $97 per month or $497 for a year. That is 57%. That is a $57 discount. And basically, if you can get 5 people to sign up just for the monthly, you would have already made up the cost. And then anyone else signing up for just the monthly Prime membership after those 5 people is just additional is $97 each time, because you will be having the 100% commissions. So again, and any other offers that they may have purchased before that or after this offer. So definitely, so basically you can like it says here, double your profits almost instantly by getting these 100% commissions instead of 50% commissions. So again, if you want either if you want the monthly or the annual membership, or you want the full year for just with a 57% discount, you can click on the $497. Or if you're just okay with getting 50% commissions, go ahead and click no thanks. And the final one-time offer is for Limitless Traffic. Again, as experienced affiliate marketers will tell you, traffic is what drives your sales machine. And for only $27, they will show you how you get limitless traffic via organic free traffic and even paid solo ads. Um, Basically show you via Facebook, Google, and YouTube. Again, this detailed course is $27. It's definitely worth picking up if you're new, just to get an idea of what you can do to create limitless traffic, especially in a organic free division, or if you already have a source, or if you already experience affiliate marketing or have a good source for your traffic, you can go ahead and click no thanks. Once you've decided what one-time offers to get, you can then go ahead and bring up the free sales machine, the online sales machine that you got for free, and on the sales page, it says there are 3 fast steps to real auto pilot results. I'll go over each step real quick. So you'll wanna, once you claim your access to the free online sales machine, you just need to go to the front end, and step 1 was get your link. You just need to go to step 1 in the front end, and you'll be presented with this short video, basically how to do so. Basically, you just need to click on get your affiliate link. Now, if you don't have a Warrior Plus account, you can then create one. It's free. I already have a Warrior Plus account, and because I already requested, just already showing my affiliate link. But if you haven't requested already, you would see something like this, where you just hit request approval, and then you type in something. I believe you can type in anything. AJ goes over it in the video, but he also mentions that it's set to automatically accept. So just hit it, and then it should come back as approved within a couple minutes, and then you'll get this link here. And that is how step 1 is completed. Step 2, in the sales page says to click download funnels. So in the front end, that is actually found under step 3. So their sales funnel is actually created with Builderall. This is a service for affiliate marketers. It's definitely if you don't already have an account, you can go ahead and start a 14-day. You can go ahead and start a 14-day trial with Builderall to claim their sales funnel. Now, Builderall is actually pretty good because you get a mailing list. A funnel creator, as well as what I especially like is their 30-day cookie tool. Like it says here, it's only if you got Builderall. So this cookie tool is really good because once they visit your page, it's cookied into their browser for the next 30 days, and then if they do decide to purchase something, it will go under you. So that is the power of Builderall. Again, to claim their funnel, you'll need to create a Builderall account, and there is a 14-day free trial. And more experienced affiliate marketers will get an idea what's going on, and you can build your funnel somewhere else, such as such as ClickFunnels. But once you compare prices, you may like Builderall, especially like I said, especially with this cookie tool. And also, if you if you did get the done for you emails that I recommended you pick up for just $17, it will be there when you claim your 14-day free trial. And step three in the sales page says to make sales. Now, to make that on the front end, that is under step 4. Now, in order to, like it says here, in order to make sales, you actually need to fuel your sales machine. As one of my other mentors have described it, think of the online sales funnel or machine as a car, and traffic as a fuel for the car. So traffic is fuel for your online sales machine. That is where Limitless Traffic offer for $27 comes into play. But to get the quickest results, you will need to pay for traffic. Now, AJ and Mark do offer done for you Google clicks, because if you think about it, now they basically, and these are high quality traffic geared for this this online sales machine. If you think about it, whenever you want to, most people Google something, especially like how to make money online, and then they click on the link. More than likely, one of those links is from Mark and AJ, and then basically that link will that link will then bring that person to your sales funnel if you purchase traffic from Mark. And that is why I recommend you highly buy traffic from Mark and AJ. Now, as it says, these are done for you pay-per-click Google campaigns. And the best part is you don't even need a Google Ads account. More experienced affiliate marketers can tell you how difficult it can be to work with Google Ads. Not work, but how to get ranked in Google Ads. While AJ and Mark already know what to do, you just need to purchase traffic from them, and they will send those Google campaigns to you. Because they've dialed in pretty good, I have to admit their prices are kind of steep, but again, these are high quality clicks. So for $100 clicks, you're gonna pay about $1.06 per click. The more clicks you buy, the lower the price you will get. They sell up to 5,000 clicks. Again, these are high quality clicks. So these will definitely give you leads, and once you have those leads, it's like I said, it's good to have an autoresponder, and that is where Builderall with the $17 30-day follow-up campaign comes in. So if you get that, if you get the 17 follow-up emails, if you get the 30-day follow-up email sequence for $17, pay for this traffic, and then also the pro membership for just for 100% commissions. You can start to see how quickly your commissions can add up. So that is why I recommend you get the email follow-ups for $17 and sign up for the pro membership for either $97 a month or $497 for the year. If you think about it, then when you pay for traffic, you'll just need one person to sign up for the monthly pro membership, and you'll be covered. Or if you can even get 5 or more people, you would have covered your yearly membership. So again, this is very exciting stuff. And that is how this online sales machine works. Again, but it really works if you have high quality traffic sent to it. And then you can also explore how other ways to get traffic to your funnel with the Limitless Traffic offer for just $27. So you can see how this online sales machine is a complete package. It does have other things such as free Facebook training. Again, this is absolutely free. AJ goes over more details on how you can send. This could be like this is probably like a sneak peek of what limitless traffic is like, but he basically includes it in a section here in free Facebook traffic, and then he also gives other extra income sources that you can find out by just claiming your online sales machine for free by clicking the link below. That does it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out my digital business card in the description below for more online business opportunities and to join my Facebook group where I share my online affiliate marketing lifestyle, release my latest videos, and guide individuals like you on a path to financial freedom. Till next time, peace, love, stay safe, and go out and enjoy your day.